think I don't have to zoom. It's been so long, I've forgotten. All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of kind of change in direction today. If you guys haven't found me through my makeup or jewelry videos, you guys have found me through my really badly rated electrolysis hair removal kit video from Amazon. And as much as I love that device, after almost 20 years, the first device that I had has kind of given in and it has stopped working. So I just bought like this brand new device and I wanted to see if it worked just the same as the old one, and it does. And actually I feel like the dial on my old device had gone really bad and it was very loose, and this one, you know, can you hear that? Like it clicks kind of like pretty nicely, smoothly. It's working. I have my salt water here. I just did a test on one of the hair. So if you do want to order this device, again, it is available on Amazon. It is available for $40, which is, given it's been 20 years, I think it's only gone up by like $5, which is amazing. And if your question is like, why do you have hair on your face after 20 years of treatment? Then guys, you don't know about women's physiology. Every time we have any hormonal fluctuations for say pregnancy and periods or premenopause, perimenopause, menopause, or any of that, your body can decide to grow new crop on your face. But the hair that I have treated from this side have never grown back. All I'm saying is that the new device that is on Amazon, that is available right now, is good. You can go ahead and buy it. But we are here to test out this device. This is called the Verseo ePen electrolysis pen. And it's supposed to be actually an even better version of this device. In the clean and easy device, you have to insert the needle into your skin, correct? This is supposed to work just topically. You're supposed to be able to just kind of glide like a Q-tip dipped in conductive gel onto your skin, or use even better tweezers to just grab a hair, and it's supposed to just kill that hair. Or if you want to do a larger area, it is supposed to come with like patches that do large areas at once. But honestly, the engineering of this device is not making sense to me. The engineering is not engineering, is the very YouTube way of putting it. So we're gonna test it out. So this Verseo ePen comes in this like really nice pouch, which I actually really, really appreciate. And inside you have your stuff, okay? You have a manual, you have your pen, you have a nice sized conductive gel, Q-tips, the conductive pads, and the tweezers. The tweezers are what I'm the most excited about. So let's get started. This is the Verseo ePen. Okay, it has like the conductive pad here. On the switch, there are three options: probe, face pad, and body pads. We're gonna see how the probe works at first, because probe directly means using it through here or using these tweezers. If it works for individual focused areas, then it'll work for larger areas. So I don't think I'll be trying that on unless the probe works. Okay, let's get started. One of the methods is that I'm supposed to take one of these Q-tips, cut them in half, and then I'm supposed to insert it into here, like so. Squeeze a generous amount of the conductive gel onto the cotton bud. Okay, so this is like the amount of conductive gel I have it on here, just so you know. Slide it onto the probe position, which is the one above. The red light comes on, and I'm supposed to keep my finger on this metal thing. Let's zoom you in. Okay, so this is the area that I just treated, and then I want to treat these things. My mirror is just here, so I'm supposed to keep my finger on here. And then, I don't know if you can see this hair. To commence 20-second treatment cycle, apply cotton bud Q-tip to the treatment area, ensuring your finger is touching the silver touch activator button. Green LED will come on. If you do not touch the button correctly, the green conductivity LED will go out. The ePen automatically resets after the timer, and then remove the hair with the ePen tweezers provided. Do that again. It's not identifying this hair at all. Here, no, it's identified this one. So let's do it here. What? I'm not feeling anything. I can't feel anything happening. Oh, okay, now it's on, I think. Can you see that? I see some little pulses. Okay, so we seem to have treated this hair. Let's give it a try. So here are the tweezers that are provided with the device. See if the hair just comes out like, so there's still a tug, which makes me think that it did not get treated. So there's still a tug, which tells me that the hair is not dead. Let's try it again. The red LED, the green LED is not coming on yet. You know what, I'm gonna add some of the conductivity gel to my finger too, so that there's a good contact. Let's add more gel. Where is my hair? Here. One more hair here, let's try that. Okay, let's try this guy. Okay. Ooh, 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 I can feel it now. I can feel it. Okay, so we treated this hair. Let's see if it comes off. No. Okay, so nothing is happening. Let's try like here. This is my very sensitive area. I usually don't even attempt electrolysis here. Okay. Of course, my skin is very dry and I had no makeup on because you're not supposed to have any makeup or anything on your skin. And I just took a shower. No, hold on. Okay, let's try again. Right now the light is on, but I'm not feeling anything. I'm trying to show you guys the light and I can't tell if it's getting captured on camera or not. Okay. So it has a good number of treatments. Let's see now. No, it's not coming off. So let's try the tweezers method. So the tweezers have like a wire that comes out of them. You're supposed to stick the bottom of the tweezers into your probe, and then you're just supposed to apply the gel to the hair, and then like by touching the pad you're supposed to just grab, and the light comes on. Okay. And okay, this hair I pulled out. Let me see if I can. Let's just do what we used to do last time. Let me stick it onto the Clean and Easy box cover. Okay, let's try one of these prominent ones. Let's add a lot of gel. No. I'm not feeling anything, to be honest. Okay, and then let me pull. Nothing. It's nicely still rooted. Okay, let's try another. No. So nothing has happened. I feel like a slight tingling. So let me zoom you guys out. So here is why I'm saying the kind of engineering is not engineering, okay? I'm applying the electrolysis gel to my skin, right? Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that it comes with 2 AA batteries that I have inserted already. It flows from here. Okay, let's say, yeah, from like this, the wire, and then through the tweezers, like this portion, it goes onto my hair. Let's assume that the conductive gel carries it to the skin. How is it going to target the follicle after that? This is how it's supposed to kill the hair follicle, okay? But the problem is that the electricity needs to flow in here to kill it. If it just flows through the surface, it's not going to kill the hair follicle. And the amount of electricity that, if it does travel to the hair follicle, it's going to be very minimal, right? So that's why I think it is the engineering of this device is not making sense. Even when I'm using this, again, is the same thing. I'm touching the skin. When we are using this device, the electricity is kind of traveling from that little needle tip directly into the hair follicle. And that is why I had told you guys that you have to move the pen slightly up and down so that at some point of time the needle is precisely in your hair follicle. And so the electricity directly goes to the follicle and then like flows out through your body back onto this pad. So that's why I think it does actually kill the hair follicle. In this, I don't think it's the case. The big patches, I don't think will work at all. I really like the construction, the pouch that it comes with, this nice side gel, but unfortunately for hair removal, this device is a fail. Okay, I'm gonna try to use this device for another purpose, so make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned. At least as of now, for hair removal, this would be my recommended device. Yeah, so if you want to spend your money for hair removal, spend it on the Clean and Easy. Not sponsored, it just works. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.